Welcome to this 2-bedroom flat for sale Indiana Rosettenville, Johannesburg, Gauteng, South Africa for 400,000 rand. Well-maintained 2-bedroom flat on Rifle Range Rosettenville EXT inside Broadbank Complex, a peaceful, clean, and secured offering 2-bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, toilet, very large open lounge, 3 built-in cupboard, neat, nice and new wooden floor. Close to shops, schools and high schools, crèches and aftercare, Suzuki car dealership and Townsview Pharmacy, 4 filling stations or petrol stations at less than 5 minutes driving, in Rosettenville EXT, the area between Tower by Townsview and Kenilworth. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.